Surah, number 102, of Quran Majeed. The Rivalry.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the All-Beneficent, the All-Merciful.
ألهاكم التكاثر.
Rivalry and vainglory distracted you,
حتى زرتم المقابر.
until you visited, even, the graves.
كلا سوف تعلمون.
No, indeed, soon you will know.
ثم كلا سوف تعلمون.
No, indeed, soon you will know for yet another time.
كلا لو تعلمون علم اليقين.
Indeed, were you to know with certain knowledge,
لترون الجحيم.
you would have surely seen hell, in this very life.
ثم لترونها عين اليقين.
Afterward you will surely see it with the eye of certainty.
ثم لتسألن يومئذ عن النعيم.
Then, on that day, you will surely be questioned concerning the blessing.